Hey, everyone, tonight's Adam Harris here, your communications coordinator. I'm excited to be at Westgate Elementary School today because I'm with our champion Westgate Flyers Drone Club. They went to New Trier High School and competed against area teams in a drone flying competition. And really, it was more than just drone flying. They learned everything there is to know about drones and a lot of trial and error, how to troubleshoot and fix it all. I'm with Nate, Aaron, and Caleb. You guys wave. Awesome. Show us your trophies. Boom. First, second, and third here at Westgate. We're champions. It's awesome. Okay, so I'm going to start with asking you guys what your favorite part of participating in Drone Club was.
My favorite part was troubleshooting and pit crew, because I like to pit crew because I like to be more hands-on, and I like to go pick up the drones, fix them, plug the batteries back in and things like that. I like flying, but I think I like that much better.
You like the behind-the-scenes stuff a little more?
Yeah.
Yeah. Aaron, what was your favorite part?
I kind of like the same as Caleb because I like to fly it, of course, but it's more fun to like go through the obstacles and having like the rush of it, like having to flip it over in such little time, sort of like having
just to make your team win, because
yeah.
without us, like, it's gonna be much harder.
Great. So it showed a lot about how like every role in a team matters.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Nate, what was your favorite part of Drone Club?
Well, my favorite part was at the beginning when we drew on these pieces of paper I drew what could have been
The logo.
the logo.
Oh, so you were like designing the logo for the Drone Club.
Yeah,
Shirts,
I
yeah.
tried, but it wasn't that one.
But like you were just working with your team to do it?
Yeah.
Well,
So, like-
I was really alone in the one.
Right. Okay. But you really like doing that. Yeah, that's really cool. So I guess it does show like it is more than just flying a drone to have this drone club. I mean, you've got people designing marketing tools and designing logos like Nate over here. And then you guys just working in the pit crew with it too. It's more than just the flying aspect.
Yeah.
All right, can you give me who here feels like they want to tell like what they learned from Drone Club?
Well,
No, we'll go over here. Nate, we'll come back to you.
all right. So I learned, like, before, I always thought flying, like, I have helicopters at my house. I always thought flying was just sticking the fly button all the way up. But helicopters.
Oh.
Yeah. So, but I learned that it's not just that. You have to be careful with how fast you're moving it. You have to know what buttons to press if it's drifting. I learned, like, all of the mini details, not just the big stuff.
I love that. Yeah, so like mini helicopters probably, Aaron, right?
Yeah.
Nate, what did you learn?
Well, I learned that pretty much the same as Caleb. It's not all about just pushing the button to go up, all the way up.
Mhm.
It's about knowing how high you should go and how low and
And like
how
feeling
fast.
it, right? And like using your eyes and feeling it.
Yeah, and also using the camera.
Oh,
Because we also had a camera that showed the first person view of the drones.
of the drones. Love it, man. I think you guys learned a lot. It's awesome. You guys have anything else to say?
No, except that it was really fun.
Yeah.
Yes, it was very fun.
I would recommend it to any 5th graders next year because I think they would have a lot of fun because I know they have a club that they're in, but I personally think this one was more fun.
And it's like doing modern stuff, not just old.
Not
like,
coding.
Yeah, not coding. These are things that might help you later. Like, what if people want to hire you or something like that? It's just like really helpful, especially because it's technology that we could use later.
Drones are going to be everywhere in the future.
Yeah.
Right? All right, guys, thank you. Congratulations. Show us your trophies again. First, second, wow, we swept it, man. We were on the podium at Westgate. All right, guys, say goodbye.
Bye.
See ya.